This is Veymax's X4, a brand new series for beginners. Compared with the previous generation, this time X4 series is equipped with anti-collision plates and taillights by default, and the appearance has also been optimized and upgraded. Let's start X4 together and start the next test trip. Everything feels so smooth. The rest of the teammates are still using X3 to compare. This video will contain off-road and normal road parts. The waterproof level of IP55 can also easily restrain small puddles. Although it is not recommended that you use this kind of wheel off-road, you can still refer to it. We tested out on this mountain impossible. There are literally no road on it, make it 10x harder to ride. Although we don't recommend you to use cloud wheels on this terrain, it's fun to try it every once in a while. Her old friend X3. Sunsets, and there goes our vlog. X4 will be online soon. Please visit our website for more details.